What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today, she is not going to be baking, but I am. She's going to be my assistant, and I'm going to be me. Thank you. Enjoy the show. Really? Preheat the oven.
What degrees?
So, my sister just preheated the oven to 375 degrees.
So we have flour, brown sugar, normal sugar. We have butter. We're gonna melt it. Well, I'm not. She is. Baking soda, salt. We're using pink Himalayan salt. You can just use table salt. 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and chocolate. Our mom normally uses a little bit of cinnamon, so we're gonna. Okay, so what she is doing now is she is getting 2 cups of all-purpose flour. One more time. Now what we need is
Teaspoon.
baking soda.
Doesn't it feel good to be the assistant?
1 teaspoon salt. And a little bit of cinnamon.
Now
mix, but not super fast. It smells like the apple and cinnamon oatmeal. Cream the butter and sugar on medium speed for around 4 minutes. Butter.
I feel.
You need 1 of these of brown sugar. That's good.
There's flour too. The butter's stuck in it. It's not so good.
Now, since we mixed it for 4 minutes, it is
Add vanilla and eggs time. Now we're gonna crack the eggs.
Can I crack one?
It didn't crack.
Do it again.
It did.
Harder. That's good. She squished the yolk. Full yolk. How much vanilla?
2 cups.
1 1/2 teaspoons.
It dripped on my foot. It was so much smoother. Okay. Doesn't it smell good?
Chocolate. Do as much as you want. That's a bit too much.
Big cookies, small cookies.
Cook it for around 8 minutes.
Work.
Did it? Then set.
What cookie makes you rich? A fortune cookie. What do you get when you use a deer-shaped cookie cutter?
I don't know.
Cookie dough. When do you take a cookie to the doctor? When it feels crummy. What kind of snacks do little monkeys have with their milk? Chocolate chip cookies.
Cookie dough fell on the ground. Cookie dough.
Really so sad.
This one looks like apricot. Hey! Don't you think about it. You thought about it. The cookies, the cookies. Oh, she ate the cookies, the cookies. I like the big cookies because they're like the ones you buy at the store. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, those are golden. Once these cool, I'll be back. These are cookies.
These are mine. And this one somehow got this.
These 3 are a bit soft, but
Crumble, crumble, crumble.
bye-bye. Are you gonna be standing in the door the whole time?
Vanilla?
Or can you go clean?
No.
Can you cook? Alright.
What's up, guys? So what we have is we have flour. You said look at